Hi everyone. In our previous video, that is how to check logs in a PostMaster, we got to see how to check the logs in PostMaster related to the various incidents taking place. This video is an extended version wherein you can exactly get hold of the portion of the log which is required for your troubleshooting, and the rest of the logs you can leave behind. For example, if I go to search, and here you have the find option. So here I want to search for a particular day log. Which are the mails that have come from this user? So I'll click on find next. So here you can see it highlights that portion of the logs in our POP3 client log wherein a particular mail has come from this sender. Alright, so if you click on find next and keep on going, it will show you all the mails which has come from the user. So instead of going one by one and checking out the particular mail that has come from this user, what you can do is you can select the mark all option. What it does is it selects the logs wherein it will get hold of this particular email ID. So here if you can see that it has bookmarked the portion of the log wherein that particular email ID was being found. Now you can do the same for searching user or a particular subject of the mail, or with a PM attribute as we discussed in our previous video, to get hold of that particular portion of the log. Now once this is done, what you can do is you can go to edit section, click on copy other to bookmark clients. Now once this is done, you can open a new Textpad, and here you can just paste that portion of the logs which contains the from email ID. So what it does is it actually gives you or fetches out the data which is required for you out of the whole log. Then you can paste it in a different Textpad and carry on with your troubleshooting. This was the first part to start with. Next, if you just clear it, go to our POP3 client log, and here I'll just select all the bookmarks. Now again, click on search. Here you have an option which is called find in files. What it does is if I put the same email ID, I'll just put in the email ID here. Now I want to search every log in my PostMaster which contains my find word subject. That is, this is the from email ID through which I need to search in my whole logs of my PostMaster and get hold of the particular data. Here in files you have to mention star.log. So what you will do is it will take this subject or the from email ID, search in the log folder, and where is the log folder? You have to mention where your particular log folder is. So here you have to mention the path. Now once you do it, and if you click on find, below you can see that it has searched out all the logs which contains my from email ID, starting from the global log. Here it is, and if you scroll down a bit, you can see again it has searched in the POP3 client log. So it has taken out the portions of that particular log wherein this from email ID is there. Again, if you scroll down, you can see the PostMaster log is also there, followed by REP- that is the report of your in POP3 log. Then you have the local delivery, followed by email flow, and so on. So this way you can get hold of a particular particular detail of a log related to a subject of the mail or a user. If somebody is saying that I have not received the mail, so you can take that portion of the mail of the user, search with subject, whatever details you want, you can do it right directly through the Textpad itself. It actually makes your work quite easy. Now if you see here, if I want to check the subject of the mail which was pro forma invoice dated, which has come from the user Aditi, and I need to check the status of it, so I'll just scroll down and search with the particular subject here. Here it is, that is completed. Now if I want to check the delivery of the particular mail, let's go a bit up. you can see that the mail has been delivered to the particular user with the word success. So this way you can get hold of the particular portion of the log to help you in troubleshooting further related to your log segment in PostMaster. Another thing to talk about is if you want to get hold of a line number for that in scenario, what you can do is, here you have to go to configure and then to preference, and here you have the view option. Here there is this line number which is by default remains unticked, so you have to click here, click on apply and OK. So the Textpad gives you the line numbers associated with the different details of the log. So if you want to jump from one lines to another, you can check the same. So how to do that? For that you need to go to search, and here you have the go to option. So this gives you to jump to the line, column, page by next bookmark that you mention over here. Let's go to line number 264. Alright, so it will take you to that particular line number. So this is how Textpad really helps you to minimize your effort in getting hold of a particular section of a log, and hence help you out in getting the exact details of the logs that you are looking out for. So that brings us to the end of the video. In case if you need any other assistance, kindly write to us at support@qlc.in. Thank you.